Hey everybody, how you doing today? Yes, I am using an AI voice program. I'm doing this for several reasons. The first being, with me having a stroke last April, I fatigue real easy and that shows up in my voice. The voice actor providing this voice is named David. Epic movie trailer, ha 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 ha! I have found another very cool multi-monitor screensaver. This one is provided by System 47 by Mihu.com. This has a Star Trek flavor to it, perfect for you Trekkies.
Okay, I think epic movie trailer is a little too much. This one is also named David. David Castlemore. Okay, enough of that. On with the show. Okay, first up I'm going to show you a couple of clips of this screensaver. The screensaver is based on the Star Trek World Monitor Schematics, LCARS. What is LCARS? LCARS is an acronym for Library Computer Access and Retrieval System, which is the primary computer system in the universe of Star Trek's Starfleet and Federation. Here we are taking video with my phone so you can see my triple monitor setup. As you can see, different LCARS screens are being shown on each monitor. You can control which screens are shown during the sequence. We'll get into that in just a little bit here. I recently uploaded a 1-hour loop video for those of you that only have a single monitor. I took screenshots of several LCARS modules and resized them to fit one monitor. I'll include a link to that video in the video description. To find System 47, go to your search browser and type in Mihu.com. I'll also include a link in the video description to the website. Here on the main page you can see that this gentleman has several applications. Many of them are web browser applications and can only be viewed on the web. System 47 is a downloadable application. Click on the Trek Countdown button below System 47, and we are brought to a web browser clock, counting down to when the next season and episode of Lower Decks is to be broadcast. Back at the main page, click on System 47. Here we are at the download page. Scroll down the download page and get familiar with the program. One tip, if you have a touchscreen monitor, you will be able to configure System 47 as it runs. If you do not have a touchscreen monitor, I will show you how to configure it in the setup. One final quick note. System 47 is not only a screensaver, but you can run it as a live wallpaper, as you can see as we scroll down. This application also runs on Mac PCs. There are also versions that go way back in time to 2005. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Download button. Under the Windows header, click on Version 2.5.01. The 10 megabyte application has now been downloaded to your computer. Open your Downloads folder. You will find a compressed download folder, System 47, Screensaver 2.5.1. I like to save all my download applications in My Documents. Here you see I have a folder called Screensavers, and then within that folder I have a folder called System 47 Screensaver. I will move the download folder over to this folder and then extract the contents. Once you have the contents extracted, click on the unzipped version System 47 Screensaver 2.5.1. In that folder, you will find two files, a README file and the System 47 application file. Click on the README file. The gentleman that created this application has done a fantastic job, including instructions and troubleshooting on his application. Scroll down until you come to the section of the instructions. To install, the automatic installation method is right-click on the file to bring up the context menu, then select Install. The system will link this file to the system screensaver setting. Then go to your system settings or control panel. Search for screensaver settings or personalization to set System 47 as default. But before we go to screensaver settings, back here where you stored System 47, right-click on the application. Select Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut, click to create a desktop shortcut. With this shortcut, you can access the application directly without having to access the screensaver application. Here on the desktop, we see the S47 System 47 shortcut. If we click on that, the application will start. Now, I called this a desktop wallpaper. You don't see my folder icons on the desktop. It's technically the screensaver playing without the screensaver being activated. If I shake my mouse, the application will stop running. Okay, you can stop giggling now. Let's set the screensaver settings. Come down to your Start menu. Click on Start. Scroll down to Settings. Now, I like to keep my settings in the taskbar. To set it to taskbar, right-click on Settings, click More. You can see that I've already got it set in the taskbar because it shows Unpin as the option. If you don't have it pinned to the taskbar, I recommend you do so now. Pin it to the taskbar, it's a lot easier to get to. So we'll close that. In the taskbar, the Settings gear icon. Click on that. Find a settings search bar at the top of page, type in Screensaver, and hit Enter. Change Screensaver, turn Screensaver on or off, it doesn't matter which one you click. Click one of them. And here is the Screensaver settings window. You can see that we have System 47 already set. If it is not set, click the drop-down arrow. Look through your screensavers. You should be able to find System 47 since you did the automatic install. Once we have System 47 in the drop-down, click on the Settings tab button, and up comes the System 47 config window. OK, first button Audio. You can set the volume however you want. I have them both set at 47%. The button below it is the Display. Click on that. There are a total of 8 screens that you can set that will come up randomly as LCARS windows. I kind of like to have Sector Grid, Galaxy Quadrant Map, Star System, Sector Volume, and NCC 1701E selected. Once you have your LCAR window selected, exit the System 47 configuration window. Your selections are saved. It will also be the same saved configuration if you click the shortcut on your desktop. Set your minutes as you like. Remember to click Apply and OK. If you have a multiple monitor system like I do, whether it's 2 or 3. It should play automatically on all of your available monitors. The LCARS window modules will just rotate through in a random manner. This application will just run forever if you never shut it down. I have not seen a loop. It's all random, so there is no beginning. There is no end. Each time you start the application from the shortcut or the screensaver triggers, you may see different windows. It's a beautiful application. I love it, and I hope you do too. Okay, guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Hope you can take something from this video. Thanks for coming along for the ride and hope to see you next time.